ko yung baklang to. Okay, so alright. What's your name?
Sir.
Pare. Jose kasi tayo dun Ayan. Uy, mana sana naman tama. Oo. Jose sa umaga, paano pag gabi?
Tuki.
Baklang to. Okay, there you go. Sabihin mo sa akin, dalawang tao na pinakamatagal na nagtatrabaho sa Esteves Memorial Hospital.
Dr. Moran and Sir Gonzaga. Dr. Alfredo Moran and Sir Gonzaga. Carlos Gonzaga.
Ayun, okay. Sa tingin niyo ba tama na yon? Dr. Alfredo Moran and Sir Carlos Gonzaga is correct! Ayun, 1-5 ka. Ayan, maraming salamat. Okay, so asan po sila? Dito po ba sila? Ayun, si Sir po, kumusta naman? Sila po dalawa, no? Ibigay na po natin yung prize. Ayan. Okay lang po ba na imbitahan kayong dalawa dito sa harap? Okay, we owe a lot from you guys. Dito po tayo sa harap. Para naman natin sila. Ayan, si Dr. Alfredo Moran. Hi sir. So as I can see that you have been with EMH since June 1974. And this is your 50th year. Ayan. August 1974. And you're the chief of clinics as of now. Tama po ba? Ayan, maraming salamat. And of course, Sir Carlos Gonzaga Jr., you have been with EMH August 1977. Tama po ba? 47 years, guys. Grabe yun, no? Palakpakan naman natin sila. And you're the Chief Director of Nursing Service. Tama po ba? Alright, maraming salamat. Bigyan naman natin ng gift sila. Oo. They deserve to have a gift. Bigyan oo. Mamaya, I'm gonna deal with you later, okay? Sila na muna, bigyan natin. Bigyan natin 1,500. Palakpakan natin siya, guys. Congratulations. Ayun. Nako, ang agang bonus, no? Nag-uumpisa pala yung programa natin, naka 1-5 na agad. Alright, and I am now going to be asking, this is question number 3.